Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your music on Instagram. Yes, like you just heard, I'm going to show a simple way to get your music on Instagram's music library so people can add it to Instagram Reels, for example, and you get paid. There's an online platform that will help you, not only to get your music on Instagram, but also on different platforms like TikTok, Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Amazon, and more. They let you keep 100% of your earned royalties across all these platforms and give you useful insights about how well your songs are performing across the different platforms. Let me show some other platforms you can get your music on. Here we can see Tidal, Beatport, Instagram, of course, YouTube Music, Pandora, Napster, Vivo, and many more. Some other benefits are being able to upload credits and lyrics to those platforms, getting featured on diverse playlists which can boost your song's discoverability, and smart links to share your music. They can also help you release your official music videos on platforms like YouTube and Vivo. This is how it works. Step 1. You upload your tracks, art, and all the important information related to your work. You get to choose on which platforms you want your music to be available. Step 2. After checking your songs, follow the rules set by the platforms. Your music is sent to all the different stores you selected, like Instagram or Spotify, for example. Step 3. Once your release date arrives and your music is out there, you'll get paid every time someone listens or downloads your songs, and you get to keep 100% of your royalties. Another amazing feature is you get help to claim royalties you may not even know they existed. You can upload unlimited amount of music and it will be promoted around the globe. They also help you claim publishing royalties. For this feature, they will take a 10% commission from all the publishing royalties they claim for you, which sounds like an awesome deal to me. All you have to do is sign up and register your music. They will take charge and claim all your missing royalties you are due. Now, this is probably one of the coolest features. They will pitch your music to TV, movies, and streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, or HBO. So, who knows, maybe one of your songs could be playing in the next Game of Thrones. After that, you get paid. It's a very streamlined and simple process, as you can see. To enjoy all these benefits, you'd have to choose one of the 3 plans available. The Artist Plans has all these features available for one artist. Unlimited music. You keep 100% of your royalties. You are promoted in more than 100 platforms worldwide, and so much more. All this for only $12 per year. That's right, all these features for only $1 per month. You can also opt for the Pro plan, which offers all the features from the Artist Plan. Plus, you can release unlimited music for 2 artists and create compilation releases. The Pro plan goes for only $19 per year. Incredible! There's a 3rd plan that is tailored for music labels, where you get all the features mentioned in the Pro plan for 5 different artists for only $45 per year. If you want to manage more artists, you can also do that. This incredible platform is called Ditto. Here you can see a comparison table against the competitors and how Ditto simply is the best you can find out there. As you can see as we keep scrolling down, Ditto is your best option to get your music on Instagram, and all the different platforms artists have to release their work for only $19 per year. I'd also like to mention that in the video description you can find a link to get a 30 days free trial on Ditto. So if you would like to try the platform with no risks up front, this is a great opportunity. Hopefully this answers your question on how to get your music on Instagram. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Give us a like. Share the video if you can. This will motivate us to keep uploading videos. See you soon. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye.